first experiment is to determine the angle of the given V block. So here is the object in which you have to determine the angle of V block. For this determination of angle of V block, this drawing is to be used for determination of angle of a V block. This is your drawing. As per the drawing, you have to derive that formula which is written over there, which is a sin theta is equal to r1 minus r2 upon में h1 minus r2 bracket close h1 minus h2 minus r2. ठीक है. For that, as per the drawing, what you need in that as a supporting cylinder. Yes. Cylinder rods. Which cylinder? Same size or different size? Different size. ठीक है. That's why R1 and R2 is used. So you have to require two cylinders for measurement of the angle of a V block. So this will D1 and D2, which gives you R1 and R2. Rest of the things which is to be required H1 and H2. So suppose it is a D1, so the height of this is H1 and another is D2, so height of second roller is H2. How we can determine the height and diameter? Diameter is determined by micrometer. ठीक है, screw gauge micrometer. So for this you have to determine the diameter of this. You have to place this object over it. This is the position. Then we will move the spindle. Then there will be a sound of the ratchet, which ensure that both the surfaces are contacted with both the angles. Accordingly, we take the reading on the micrometer, main scale reading and circular scale reading. Main scale reading plus circular scale reading. It means main scale reading जो होगी वो लिखना है plus least count into circular scale reading. And addition of both the readings give the final result. Clear? Similarly, for the determination of the H1, we use the height gauge. So we have to move the height gauge such that it will be coincident on the top of the roller. We move the direction slightly inclined in that, so that the highest point cannot be remaining while taking result, because it is a curvature. So curvature always is slanting. We have to reading the apex point of it. So we are shifting the angle of the instrument. Like that we our highest point cannot be ignored in this case. तो वो जहाँ पे भी होगा तो उसकी जॉ जाके उसको हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पे रेस्ट होगी. रेस्ट में अगर आप जूम करके देखेंगे तो नीचे गैप रहेगी. क्लियर है? सो similarly we took the reading on the height gauge. The procedure is same. We have to take the reading of the main scale, then see the division which is coincide on the main scale, that is multiplied by the least count. That will be a final reading on that. Similarly, we determine the diameter and determine the height of S2. This all the readings are taken in the observation table. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then we took the reading of S2. We note in our observation table. For this is the one set of reading. We have to take different set of readings. At least 3 sets of reading is to be required. For that we choose the diameter of the roller to taking different readings. So similarly, same procedure is to be followed with the another set of rollers, then again another set of rollers, in which the diameter of the roller is to be vary. So it will be proven that every set of diameter it will be same. And averaging of the result will reduce the errors which will be incurred in the measuring time. So this experiment will be over. Everyone has to be clear in that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have to go for the
Locate the position of three
to locate the position of threaded hole in a given object. ठीक है? तो here is the object. you can clearly see that this is the hole which we have to locate.
Okay.
So how can you locate a hole? How we can locate a hole? Hole means the nature of geometry is circular. Now how you locate a circle?
The distance of that circle from its edges.
From a fixed point
To
to the center of the circle.
so for that we require a center of a circle.
Center of the
But here we are not having a center of a circle. So this we have to determine in this experiment. है ना? How we can locate it? Suppose we draw a point in a 2 axis. How we can locate it? Yes, and which gives that distance is called in the terms of geometry coordinates. ठीक है? So that point can be located with the help of coordinates. So similarly, we are not having a center located over here. So we use that pins for that hole. So we are putting these 3 pins in these 3 holes. What we require that? Suppose this is a x axis, this is a y axis. Any type of we can take in it. जो आप ड्राइंग में लेंगे वही आपको मेजरमेंट में लेना है. तो we have to put like this object. So one axis can be x axis, second axis can be y axis. When we have to determine the height of that particular hole, we can nominate it as a B and C. Suppose this is a hole A, this is a hole B, this is a hole C. So we have to measure the height of the hole A, hole B and hole C with respect to y axis. Because we are measuring vertical. This is a y axis, this is a x axis. So we are putting the equipment on the top of the net pins. So that height can be measured it. ठीक है? This suppose this height is called as a YA because we are measuring the y coordinate of a whole head. Similarly for second, it is denoted as a YB, and for the last one is denoted by a YC. Accordingly, we have to take the reading of YA, YB and YC. Which reading is to be required?
The center of the
XA, XB and XC. So we place the object like that towards X axis. Then again we have to measure it. This is a XB.
XB, yeah.
Okay. Then we have to push it and take it
XA.
XA. Then we have to take it XC. XA and XC are
Collinear.
हाँ मतलब XC is equal to XA है ना? This. अब you have taken the coordinate reading of height of that field. What you have to require to give your final result?
Center of the field.
हाँ center of the field. So what you require to get
Diameter of the field.
diameter of the field. So we have taken the pins for taking diameter. We can use the Vernier caliper or as well as micrometer. Most of the time micrometer is to be used because having a
It has more division,
हाँ,
so it gives more
Accurate, more accurate.
Discount.
because the higher discount is to be there. Micrometer में जो discount क्या रहता है?
0.0.
Okay. And Vernier gauge? Okay. ठीक है. So which one is precise? 0.01. So for that sake of reading, you have to measure it screw gauge and as well as micrometer because consecutive reading is to be there. Suppose you are taking this reading, है ना? Then you have to check it with help of micrometer. So there may be a reduction in error of measuring. This reading is to be taken off. Similarly for both the pins. Then subtract that diameter corresponding to that reading, which is you taken with the help of height gauge. Then you are getting a coordinate of hole A, hole B and hole C, which is applicable to locate the hole A, hole B and hole C in a given plane. Third extent, which is determination of radius of curvature of convex surface. So here is the object for which you have to determine the radius of curvature of convex surface. Which surface is convex in nature? Outer surface. This is the drawing which is used for determination of radius of curvature. Which is the formula? R is equal to
L minus D का whole
L minus D का whole square upon 8. So what you require in this case? Two variables to be there, L and D. So L is the length and D is the diameter. Suppose we put these two roller. So the D is diameter of roller, which is again determined with the help of micrometer or vernier. So D is to be known to you. We put it together and there it is. Then we have to measure the length of this. Clear? Then don't give the excess pressure on it because it will be lift the jaw. When the jaws will be coming in the contact with the roller like this, you can feel the contact. Then this readings will be L. ठीक है? So by putting the reading of B into B and L, you can get the radius of the convex surface. Similarly, it is a one set of reading. Again, you have to repeat for another set of roller, then again another set of roller. 3 set of reading is to be required in this. To determine the angle of Doherty slot.
2102 mm, sir.
Doherty slot. So this is the object in which you are having a Doherty slot. Where you seen this slot?
joints,
Which type of joints?
mostly in the wooden furniture.
Wooden furniture. And
Jigsaw puzzles.
have you visited the machine shop? Anywhere you have seen this Doherty slot? Have you seen the lathe machines? Have you seen any type of this slot is to be there? जो आपका कैरेज है, जो गाइडवेज है, तो उस पे जो कैरेज चलता है, वो डोअर स्लॉट पे चलता है. क्लियर है? एक तरफ फ्लैट बेड रहती है, एक तरफ वी गाइड रहती है, दोनों तरफ गाइड्स रहती है, और उसमें जो कैरेज जो चलता है, तो उस पे जो स्लॉट रहता है वो डोअर ड्रेस रहता है, ताकि एक तरफ वी पे चलता है, एक तरफ फ्लैट पे चलता है. So in this we have to use the drawing. Which is the formula?
Sin theta is equal to R1 minus R2.
Tan theta equal to R2 minus R1.
Tan R2 minus R1 by 4 by
L1 by 2 plus R1 minus L2 by 2 plus R2. L1 R2 है.
So next experiment is to determine the angle of the Doherty slot. This is the object which is to be used. This is the drawing which is required to get the observations. ठीक है? This one is
Cylinder.
yes. This is a cylinder. So different diameter cylinder set is to be required because you have to keep in both the ends. Clear है? Then you have to measure the length of this diameters, which is called L1 and L2. So we have to take two different diameter set of cylinders. Suppose this is a cylinder which diameter is D1. The diameter is to be measured with the help of micrometer. Then we have to measure the length. The length is measured with the help of vernier caliper. Put it here. Okay. So according to this, we take the reading of L1. This reading and diameter reading is to be taken in the observation table. The D1 and L1. Similarly, we replace this diameter with the different diameter. This will be a D2 and L2. By putting the reading of L1, L2 and D1, D2 in the formula, tan theta is equal to R2 minus R1 upon L1 by 2 plus R1 minus L2 by 2 plus R2. This will give the angle of the Doherty. To determine the angle of conical hole. So here is the object in which you see the hole which is tapered in the nature, so that it is a conical hole. Clear है? Reducing diameter होगा. So it will make a geometry of a cone inside it. So we have to determine the angle of this conical hole. This is the geometry which is to be required for measuring the angle of conical hole. So when you see it, this geometry which is to be required to you,
Two different diameter
cylinders,
No, two different diameter
spherical ball.
spherical. Okay. So the formula is used. Sin theta is equal to R1 minus R2 upon H1 minus R2 minus H minus D minus R2. Clear? This formula is to be used. So R1 and R2 is radius of different spheres. Then H1 and H and D is to be measured. Suppose R1 is to be used, then the height of it is h, small h. ठीक है? Then we have to put the again second set of sphere. This will be reading of
capital. So this will be the read.
Capital is in
Capital
तो ये capital H होगा ना सर?
h minus d,
H minus D. Okay.
because d is the height of this object and h is the height of this.
Total height.
ठीक है? So this is also measured with micrometer. Diameter of this both the sphere is taken with the help of micrometer. Then this height is to be measured with the help of no. This is possible to get inside that.
Not that, with the bigger sphere.
For this we required a depth micrometer. है ना? So we have to put this depth micrometer over here. ठीक है? And we have to take the reading. When it will be come in the contact of the surface, it will the sound of ratchet is to be there. It will ensure that that point of contact is to be there. Then we have to put second set of sphere. Then this height is to be taken with the help of height gauge, because it is a upward in position. And height gauge jaws cannot be go inside. Then we have to use the
Depth micrometer.
depth micrometer. Suppose this diameter is to be lesser in that, so again we have to use the depth micrometer. So this experiment is to be over. Both the R1, R2, H and D is reading is to be taken with the help of consecutive instrument which is to be required for measuring it. For depth you have to use depth micrometer, for height you have to use height gauge, for diameter you have to use micrometer. Okay, this experiment will over. Find the angle of conical body with the help of sine bar. This is the object which is called a conical body. This is a sine bar. Clear? You have to know the characteristics of sine bar, which is to be standard in the sine bar. Which is standard in the sine bar? Which parameter is standard in the sine bar? The length of the sine bar is specified always. Suppose you want to purchase a sine bar, so you have to given the length of a sine bar. It is a 4 inches sine bar. So when we go for the purchase of a sine bar, you have to mention the length of sine bar. Here in this case, this is a 4 inch which is measured on this roller. Here it will be mentioned. ठीक है? So by getting this, we have to use the drawing in which the formula is used for h by L. Sin theta is equal to h by L. Sin theta है क्या कि tan theta?
Sin theta.
This is the diagram which is used for determination of angle of conical body. Here this is your body in which this apex angle is to be there. है ना? This is a different position. This position diagram is to be given in that your object. Okay. ठीक है? This will be the height which is denoted as h, and this is the length. You see this center to center distance which is called L. So sin theta में क्या होगा?
H by perpendicular by hypotenuse.
ठीक है? तो this both the reading is to be kept in it. So how you can get that h reading? That h reading is to be getting with the help of a this slip gauge blocks. These are combination of the blocks. We have to use different size of blocks, and we have to make the pile of these slip gauges. For making a pile, suppose we have to make dimension 9.25. ठीक है? या 10.47. So this is a 9 mm block. This is a 1.47 block. The dimension is written over here. We have to put together it. Then we have to ring together it. Okay. Then this will be a single. This will be the pile of a slip gauges. So we have to put this pile in the which side? Smaller end side. So this height will be lifted. How long we have to go on that? When this line becomes horizontal. Okay. So for that we have to took the reading on this side and that side with the help of height gauge. When the reading will be same, then the height of the slip gauges is taken that height. है ना? Before that it will be trial basis in that. Clear? So you take both the reading on both the corner with the help of this height gauge. Suppose you feel that both the readings are constant, it means the top surface is become horizontal. Like this and like that. H is given to you in which system? Abhi you have to read it na. What was the size of the slip?
mm
10.47
10.47
4 inches is
अच्छा हाँ
L is 4 inches.
L is 4.
So you have to convert into
millimeter
mm.
height is in mm
Because this is the in mm na.
Okay.
So unit will be common. So that you have to convert it with the help of multiplying by 25
25 mm like 1 inch equal to 2.5 centimeter
2.54
2.5
So
254 mm
20
25.4 mm 25.4 mm
ठीक है. So you got that reading of L and similarly you get the reading of H. This experiment is over. Experiment is to determine the angle of taper plug gauge. This is the object in which you have to determine the angle of this taper plug gauge. For this drawing is to be used for determining the angle of a taper plug gauge. This drawing is to be used. In this drawing, what you require? Cylindrical rollers. ठीक है. So this roller is to be taken. The formula is sin theta, tan theta is equal to N2 minus N1 by 2s. So this is a roller. This diameter is not to be taken care of while taking a reading. That L1 is this reading.
outer reading
Yes, outer reading. Then we have to put it on the different height, for which we use the slip gauges. So this, suppose this height is to be 10. So we use the 10 mm slip gauge block and 8 and 2. Then we put it over here. Then we take a reading, which is L2. Two different position reading of rollers is to be taken in the contact of the taper plug gauge, which gives the L1 and L2. And S is the, which is S in the formula? S is the height of the slip gauges. This will be taken randomly according to you. You can take it 3, you can take it 4, you can take it 5, 6, 7, 8 in different positions. So L1 and L2 reading, are you getting it? S is known to you, which is 10. ठीक है. So by putting the reading in the formula, we are having a determination of angle. है ना? This experiment will be over. Find the small end diameter of the taper plug gauge. This is an object of taper plug gauge. This diameter is to be measured. So for this we have to use this drawing to taken as a geometry. The formula is written over here. W is equal to L1 minus 2D minus D tan theta. ठीक है. So what you require? One set of cylindrical rollers is to be required. So this roller is to be taken care of. As you seen in the previous experiment, this reading is called L1. The lifted position reading is L2. But this is not required in this case because you already know the theta in previous experiment. So that value of theta is to be directly taken from that. So you know the theta, you know the L, and you know the D. By putting the reading, you can get this diameter of a taper plug gauge. So this experiment is over.